and welcome to another macrocosm video. Science is the result of a great deal of effort and meticulous data analysis, but it also frequently contains a healthy dose of luck. The good fortune that results in you discovering something while you are actually hunting for something else. Have you ever experienced it? Dr. Yoshinobu Fudamoto from the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan and Waseda University can attest that it did happen to him. He discovered a few unexpected emissions while reviewing the data of young far-off galaxies recorded by the ALMA in Chile. They originated in what appeared to be empty areas of space. Astronomers discovered upon closer inspection that these objects were not at all empty spaces, but rather two extremely old galaxies. These galaxies, however, were nearly invisible up until this point because they were cloaked in a thick layer of cosmic dust. Astronomers think there are many more of these early universe galaxies out there, as they formed when the universe was only 5% of its current age. Looking far into space is equivalent to looking far into time in astronomy. We look closer to the early universe as we look farther into space because the speed of light is finite. It is really swift, but it is not limitless. Because building accurate astrophysical models requires a better understanding of the universe's childhood. Scientists are quite concerned about it, and to measure how fast galaxies grow and give birth to new stars. Since 1 in every 5 galaxies in the early universe may have been missed, this discovery is tremendously significant. Now, astronomers are using ALMA, one of the most sensitive telescopes ever made, to detect these dusty, early galaxies that Hubble missed. Amazing fact: in the extensive reionization-era Bright Emission Line Survey project, astronomers use ALMA to examine the early universe emissions from 40 galaxies. Will 40 really old galaxies be discovered? We will have to wait to learn. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.